To create a product list, we're in back office and we'll go to General Settings, then Lists, then Product List. The bottom of the screen we'll click on New, and we need to give this list a title, so I'm going to make a list of soft drinks, so I'll type that in. And then hit tick. And now we need to add in the items to the list. The products that we're adding to the list have to be created beforehand. So for product number 1, there's 2 ways you can add these into the list. You can either type in the product code or you can hit the binoculars on the right hand side. So if I hit the binoculars and scroll down, I'll look for some soft drinks. So let's say Fentimans D301. Then I click OK, and that's added that in as product 1. So in the second one down, I could click here and type in D302, tick, and it will add the next one in the list. Or I can use the binoculars again, either or. So I'll just add a couple more into here. Appletiser, OK. And I'll do it this way again, D304, tick. OK, once you've finished adding the items, we need to change some settings at the top here. Firstly, minimum number of choices is set to 0. That means I don't have to pick from this list if I don't want to. So this list, I might have it on the spirits page to allow me quick access to several different soft drinks, or I could have it as a follow-on product to an item. So if you got the minimum number of choices set to 0, it means I don't have to pick from the list. However, if I change this to 1, that means I have to pick one item from the list, at least. On the right, we've got the number of choices and 0 for unlimited. That means if I change this to 0, I could pick as many as I want to once the list appears. If I was to set this to 2, that means I have to pick 2 from the list and then it will automatically close. Normally, for maximum flexibility, you'd have both of these set to 0. That means you don't have to pick any, and you can pick as many as you want if you want some. At the top of the screen we have different settings as well. Show empty buttons would reveal the rest of these buttons as blanks. Usually that's set to no. The cancel button, if you have that set to yes, it allows you to cancel the list. And you've got the different colours you can set on the background and foreground. The size level is normally set to all 3 sizes. However, if you only had quantity 2 ticked, for example, the list would only show if you sold, for example, a half pint.